is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Master Hogan helping you master yourself. Today I'm going to talk to you about something you can do every single day that will help you combat and stave off low back pain. I say combat because it is not a fix per se. This is something that you should do consistently that will have a snowball effect of helping you over time as you do it. It's pretty easy. It only requires a pull-up bar or something to hang from. Could be done outside, inside. If you have pull-up bar, that's great. If not, monkey bars, bar park, even stairs if you're inside. You just have to be able to hang. There's some nuance here to how we're going to hang. We're looking for spinal decompression and thoracic extension, middle back extension. Now, the thoracic extension will pretty much happen just from hanging, but the decompression happens when we drop our pelvis. Let me show you. If you have a pull-up bar like this, I recommend using the parts that stick out. Easiest that way, in my opinion. So you're going to just hang, and then you're looking for your pelvis to drop. And you can see that the thoracic extension just happens. If you look, you can see, especially in this area, there's a lot of lengthening, and you're looking for the segments of the spine to decompress as much as possible. Okay, two modifications here. You can either have your feet on the ground to help balance and that sort of thing, take a little bit of weight off just the hanging, or you can just straight up hang. Up to you. I would say work up to just hanging if you're doing with feet on the ground, but totally okay. You can do it just as effectively both ways. Now, programming for this, I recommend start with 30 seconds at a time. Work up to a minute for each rep. Okay, and then twice per day at least, at two very particular times. That is right when you wake up, or like morning time sometime, but best if you do it right when you wake up, because you're reinforcing this good posture for throughout the day of opening of the back and decompression of the spine, both things that happen a lot in people's typical day-to-day lives. Like your next best time is to do this at the end of the day, after your workday has occurred, where you perhaps are reinforcing those not so good postures. Okay, so again, 30 seconds, work up to a minute of hold time at a time, and then at least twice a day. Really, the more the better. Consistency is the king here. Okay, that is it for today. I'm Master Hogan helping you master yourself. I'll see you in the next one.